What's up, guys? Welcome back here to Budville Motors in Paris, Kentucky. Today we have a 1965 Ford Falcon Futura Convertible. As always, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below this video, or you can call us at 859-340-4577. Email us at budvillemotorsllc@gmail.com, or you can visit our website, budvillemotors.com. If you would like to stop by and visit us, we are located at 1350 Main Street in Paris, Kentucky, 40361. This Falcon has the original factory 289 Challenger V8 engine and also the original factory Cruise-o-matic 3-speed automatic transmission. There's not a lot of the 289 V8 Falcons that are out there. It's a really solid car that came out of New Mexico. The interior is beautiful. It's really comfortable. The leather is really soft. The wheels are 5 Lug Wheels. And there's been a lot of new parts that are put on this car. It has 4 new shocks, a new gas tank, new exhaust, new radiator, new fuel pump, new water pump, new fan belt, has a new alternator and regulator, new radiator hoses, a new oil filter and gas filter, new battery and cables, a new starter and solenoid, new plugs and PVC valve, a new radiator surge tank, a new rebuilt carb, new trans mounts, all new tires including the spare tire, and it has new U-joints as well. This car would make a great driver car. It's something you can drive every day, and it also has a little giddy up and go to it. You won't be disappointed in this vehicle. If you have any questions or want to schedule a test drive, give us a call at 859-340-4577. Email us at budvillemotorsllc@gmail.com. Stop by at 1350 Main Street here in Paris, Kentucky, 40361. Or you can also visit our website, budvillemotors.com. As always, thank you for watching this video, and we hope you have a great day.